Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by exposing the problem keys quickly and safely. First, remove any straps and unplug the accordion if it's electronic. Then open the grill or key cover using the small screwdriver. Once done, use compressed air to blow loose dust from under the keys while holding the instrument steady. Next, dip a cotton swab in isopropyl 70% 90% and squeeze off excess so it's damp, not dripping. Gently swab along the key hinge and felt gaps to lift grime. Now you perform the deeper cleaning and mechanical checks. Use a thin pick or soft instrument to dislodge stubborn grit under the key edges, then reswab the hinge area to remove residues. Make sure you only touch metal and felt. Avoid saturating wood or leather pads because that causes swelling. Once clean, inspect pivot screws and key bushings. If a screw is loose, gently tighten a quarter turn and test action. Adjust felt seating so the key returns smoothly without rubbing. Finish by reassembling the key cover and any straps, then play through all registers to confirm smooth action. If a key still sticks, check valve openings and bellows joints for trapped debris and repeat targeted cleaning with a damp swab. Make sure seals are seated and not warped. Small leaks can cause sluggish response. If you still have stiffness, the felt pads or key pivots may be worn or warped. Stop and consult a repair technician because deeper disassembly or part replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.